Crafting a stellar business proposal. Getting structure right. Hello learners. Welcome to today's lesson on proposal structure within the realm of business and economics. Business proposals can be the cornerstone of great deals, collaborations, and projects. Understanding how to structure them correctly is vital. Let's dive into the world of business proposals and learn how to make them shine. A business proposal is a document used to offer specific goods or services to a potential buyer or client. A well-written proposal can establish a strong connection between your company's offerings and the client's needs, making them more likely to choose your proposal over competitors. First impressions last, and in the world of business, your proposal can be that first impression. A clear and logical structure helps the reader understand and follow your points effortlessly. A structured proposal reflects professionalism and showcases your attention to detail. 1. Title page. This includes the proposal title, your name, company, the potential client's name, and the date. 2. Executive summary. A brief overview of your company, what you're offering, and why you're the best choice. Think of it as your elevator pitch. 3. Table of contents. Helps navigate longer proposals. 4. Problem statement. Outline the issue or need the client faces that your product or service addresses. 5. Solution. Describe your product or service in detail and how it addresses the problem you've outlined. 6. Methodology. Explain the methods you'll use to deliver the solution, especially if the proposal involves a project. 7. Qualifications. Showcase your credentials, experiences, and previous successes. 8. Schedule and timeline. Indicate the duration of the project, major milestones, and deliverables. 9. Budget and pricing. Detailed breakdown of costs. 10. Terms and conditions. Outlines the agreement specifics, like payment terms. 11. Conclusion. Reiterate the benefits of your proposal. 12. Appendices. Any additional information or data that supports your proposal but isn't essential to the main narrative. Be clear and concise. Use simple language, and avoid jargon unless it's industry-specific and necessary. Use visuals. Graphs, charts, and tables can help break up the text and make complex data easier to understand. Proofread. Errors can undermine your proposal's credibility. Always double-check. And that's a wrap on proposal structures. Remember, the key is to be clear, organized, and persuasive. With a solid structure in place, you're setting the stage for your content to truly resonate with your reader. We hope this lesson was beneficial, and we look forward to guiding you in your next English language learning endeavor. Happy writing!